The question is from circular seating arrangement. Six people, Aditya, Naveen, Nikhil, Avinash, Dheeraj, Vamsi, are sitting in a circular manner, three faces to the center and three faces away from center. Dheeraj is between Aditya and Naveen and faces away from center. Avinash faces same direction as Aditya and Naveen faces. Nikhil is fourth right of Avinash. What is the position of Aditya with respect to Nikhil? Immediate left, immediate right, third right, cannot be determined, none of above. First of all, we make possibilities. The good way is to make four possibilities. So we make four possibilities circles. First thing to notice in a question is three faces to the center and three faces away from the center. Three faces to the center and three faces away from the center. The first clue is Dheeraj is between Aditya and Naveen and faces away from the center. So first we take Dheeraj is between Aditya and Naveen and faces away from the center. So we take Dheeraj from here. Dheeraj can be here. Dheeraj can be here. Dheeraj can be here. Dheeraj can be here. Dheeraj is between Aditya and Naveen. Dheeraj is between Aditya and Naveen. It means that Aditya can be here or can be Naveen or it can be Naveen. Aditya can be here or it can be Naveen. Aditya can be here or it can be Naveen. Aditya can be here or it can be Naveen. Aditya can be here or it can be Naveen. Aditya can be here or it can be Naveen. Aditya can be here or it can be Naveen. It can be Aditya or it can be Naveen. The clue says Dheeraj is between Aditya and Naveen and faces away from the center. Here comes and is always refers to the first person and who refers to the second person. So there is so and is talking about Dheeraj. So Dheeraj is faces away from the center. Dheeraj is always faces away from the center. Dheeraj is faces away from the center. Dheeraj is faces away from the center. But we don't know where Aditya and Naveen are focuses. It can be outside or it can be inside. First of all, we don't know in which direction Aditya and Naveen faces, so we take assumptions. We first take Aditya, Naveen and Avinash faces same direction. So first of all we take, but we don't know the position of Avinash. So we take an assumption that Aditya and Naveen faces in same direction. So then Aditya and Naveen faces inside. Let's take opposite. Aditya and Naveen faces inside. Let's take Aditya and Naveen faces outside. Aditya and Naveen faces outside. In the question we don't know the position of Avinash, but Avinash is related to Nikhil. Here Nikhil is fourth right of Avinash. Let's take assumption that Avinash can be here. Avinash just opposite. Avinash can be here. Just opposite Avinash can be here. Just opposite Avinash can be here. Now we take assumption in which direction Avinash faces. In the question it is written that Avinash faces same direction as Aditya and Naveen faces. So Aditya and Naveen faces inside in assumptions 1. So Avinash is also faces inside. Avinash, Aditya and Naveen faces outside. So Avinash is also faces outside. But in the question it is written that 3 faces to the center and 3 faces away from the center. So from this clue, this assumption can be wrong. In the question it is written that Avinash faces same direction as Aditya and Naveen faces. So Aditya and Naveen faces inside. So Avinash is also faces inside. Aditya and Naveen faces outside. So Avinash is also faces outside. But it is in the question it is written that 3 faces to the center and 3 faces away from the center. So 4 are facing outside the center. This is wrong according to question. In the question it is written that Nikhil is fourth right of Avinash. So we take from here Avinash is facing inside. So from the concept, if the person faces to the center, then this is the right position, and from there this is the left position. So Avinash so from Avinash, first left, first right, second right, third right, fourth right. Here is Dheeraj present, so it can't be Nikhil. It cannot be Nikhil. So this concept is all. This assumption is also wrong. So we take from here Avinash faces inside. So from the concept, uh, we goes from here Avinash right. So Nikhil is fourth right of Avinash. So Nikhil, we have to find Nikhil position. So Avinash, this is Avinash first right, second right, third right, and from here Avinash, this is fourth right. Here Nikhil is present. So from this assumptions we are getting we are getting we are getting good clues according to question. And from the question, Aditya is here, Aditya is here also. Naveen is here also, Nikhil is here, Avinash is here, Dheeraj is here. So the position of left is Vamsi. This is Vamsi. From the question it is written that 3 faces to the center and 3 faces away from the center. So 3 are facing inside the center. So Dheeraj is facing outside the center, and another 2 are also facing outside the center. Now we go to the question, what is the position of Aditya with respect to Nikhil? The first option is immediate left. We know that we have to find position of Aditya with respect to Nikhil. Aditya, but in the question it is not given that what is the exact position of Aditya or Naveen. So we have to take assumption that Aditya and this position can be of Aditya or Naveen. This position is also can be of Aditya and Naveen, but it cannot. We are not sure that it is definitely the position of Aditya or Naveen. So we go to the first option. It is immediate left. What is the position of Aditya with respect to Nikhil? We have to find the position of Aditya with respect to Nikhil. So Nikhil position is with respect to Aditya is immediate left, but it is also Naveen present, so it is not true. Second, position of Aditya with respect to Nikhil, immediate right. Nikhil is facing outside the center, so in outside the center the right become left and left become right. So this is also not correct. Immediate right is also not correct. Nikhil is facing outside the center, so Nikhil, we go to the second option, that is immediate right. But we are in immediate right, there is Aditya, but also there is Naveen, so so second option is also false. We go to the option third right. Aditya is third right with respect to Nikhil. Aditya is third right with respect to Nikhil. This is Nikhil, and Nikhil is first. This is first right, second right, third right. But in third right there is all Aditya, but there is also Naveen, so it is also not the answer. And so and none of above is not the answer, so the correct option is cannot be determined. Option 4.